Let's unbox it. Ooh, QR code is here. Here's the energy layer, and here's the QR code. Forged disc and tip. The tip is metal. Let's test a 3, 2, 1 lever. Whoa. Let's try against Xkino. Wow. Hold on. It's a metal tip. Let's try a defense type layer. Bro, it's the launcher. I'm not using my string. Surge Excalius, go! Oh, some great attack! Dang! As soon as I upload this video, there might be a live stream today or tomorrow. So make sure you turn on the bell button. But thank you for 600 subscribers. That's all my puppets. Reese's. Peace out, game players. Starting out.